Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log out of Dream League Soccer 2023. So basically this is very easy and I will show you it exactly how to do it. So basically you need to tap on this settings icon at the top of your screen, tap on it, and here you see game, display, audio, controls, and you see advanced. And you need to tap on that advanced button in the right bottom corner. And here you see sign in with Apple, personalized ads, personalized notifications, but you also see this info icon. You see this icon, but you need to tap on a fourth icon. So this kind of skull with a reset icon. Tap on that, and here you see if you restart your profile, you will lose all your current progress, including coins, gems, and other consumables. You will then be able to immediately start with a new profile. So basically, when you tap on restart profile, you log out of Dream League Soccer, and you can start with a new profile. So you can start all over again, and you can play again. So that's pretty cool. You also can delete your account if you want to. But yeah, this will not instantly restart and instantly log you out of Dream League Soccer. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.